Hello children, welcome to the class. In this class we are going to learn the supplementary reader. The topic, the king and the angel. Children, all of you take page number 78. I think you may know about the king and the angel. Did you see angel in your dream? Let's see the children. All of you take the page number 78. Let's start the story. The king and the angel. There was one king lived in the kingdom and he wanted to build a new palace. Children, what do you mean by palace? Any guess? Yeah, it is all about the king lived, place where king lived. So he wanted a big palace with wooden pillars. So he asked the minister to find the biggest tree and cut it. And minister replied, "Yes, my lord." So he wanted a big palace. So he asked them to cut the biggest tree. For what? For building the palace with wooden pillars. What do you mean by wooden pillars? Yeah, the pillar is made up of wood. Where the wood came from? Tree. So the minister find a big neem tree to cut and take the wood. So he did what he do? He asked the people to cut the tree for the king. But the people did not cut the tree. They asked the minister not to cut the tree. And they said, "It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves many people from sick." What do you mean by sick? It is like fever, cold, cough and other. So here the people requested not to cut the tree because the neem tree saves many people. You know, my dear children, in the neem tree is valuable for medicine. So what happened? The king wanted the palace to build with the wooden pillars. But what happened? The people requested not to cut the tree because it saves many people. Like doctor, the neem tree saves many people. And children, move on to the next page, number 79. Oh, you may see in your textbook there was a big tree. So the minister cut the tree. It is the king order, but the people did not allow them to cut the tree. "We will not let you cut the tree," the people replied. And what happened? The minister and the people of the minister team went to the king place and said, "O king, the people did not allow us to cut the tree." The minister complained about the people. They are not allowing to cut the tree. So what the king said, my dear children? Yeah, he said like that, "I'll come with you to cut the tree." So here king said like that, he will go there and cut the tree. He said like that, "I'll come with you to cut the tree." And what happened next? That night, when king go for sleep, he had a dream. Children, do you have dream in your sleep while sleeping? Likewise, the king also had a dream while sleeping. What the dream is about? Yeah, there was an angel. That night the angel came in the king's dream. Whose dream? The king's dream. What the angel said? He said that like, "I'm the angel of the tree. I am home to many birds. There are many small trees near me. Also, many come and rest in my shade. Please do not cut me." What the angel said? She is the angel of the tree and she was a home to many birds. Children, did you notice the trees have the bird's nest? Yeah, in the tree there are so many birds' nests near. You can notice in your surrounding tree with a nest. Likewise, the angel said what? She was a home to many birds and there are many smaller trees near the big tree and many people come and take rest in the shade of the tree. Did you take rest in the shade of the tree, my dear children? And oh, yes, and the angel said like that, please do not cut me, king. Please do not cut me. But the king replied, your wood is very good. I have to cut you. But the king replied, your wood is very good and I'm going to cut you. And the angel replied, okay, you cut me when it rains. And the angel replied, you cut me when it rains and you cut me in 3 parts. First, my leaves and my branches and my trunk. What does mean by trunk, my dear children? Yeah, trunk means stem of the tree. So the king asked, why should I do that? And the angel replied, if you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and small trees. If you cut me at only one time, the birds and the small trees may crush. I fall in 3 parts that some of them will live. While cutting fully, I may curse the birds and trees, but I may fall in 3 parts, then some of them will live. And what happened? The king woke up. He felt very bad for the tree because it is the home place for many birds and it gave shadow to the people. So what happened? The king said like that, do not cut the trees. We should save all the trees. I will build my palace with rock. The king said like, I will build my palace with rocks instead of earth. So what is here? We should save all the trees, the king replied. Okay, children, you in this lesson, you may came to know we should save all the trees. At the time, we should not cut any tree. Okay? Such a beautiful story. Okay, students, thank you. We shall meet in the next class.